David made me watch this movie called Hustler with Adam Sandler, and it was produced by LeBron James. So naturally, I didn't know anything about it. What I found interesting about this was it's a fictional story about basketball, but with real NBA stars. The lead is this Spanish player named Juancho. He's pogi. They got a bunch of other basketball players na syempre hindi ko kilala except Jordan Clarkson, because I know he's half Pinoy and I see him on billboards here. That's the only reason I know him. These basketball players chose to act. And this wasn't an easy role. Even the other NBA players were playing caricatures of themselves. I forgot the name of that player, yung kontrabida dito. But David was showing me videos of him in interviews, and that's really him. And he didn't mind portraying that as a character. So it looked really natural. I am all for people going outside their boundaries, pushing their boundaries. Basketball players acting? Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna make David teach me basketball now.